My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Volkswagen Caravelle. This vehicle has done just over 42,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that we have 7 seats in total, all of which have a black leather trim. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights. On the screen, using the buttons to the left, we can access radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right we have eject, navigation, Apple CarPlay and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.